Dad, what fluids are in my car?
Well, that's a great question, Emmy. Let's start over here. We got your windshield washer fluid, so that you can have a clean windshield. We've got your radiator fluid on this one. And here's where you would add the oil, and here's where you would check the oil. Back over here, we've got our brake fluid that we don't ever want to top off because we want to call any place auto repair when that brake light's on. Different cars have different fluids. Always follow your manufacturer's recommendations as far as brake fluid, coolant, oil, transmission fluid. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations.
Daddy, I got a question. What things Daddy?
You're welcome.